All right, in this video today, I'm actually going to take you guys really how you're going to start making money on Nigeria here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take you guys video on my system and step by step how you're going to do this. Something I've been literally doing it for a very long time, and I've been making cool cash from it. So all I need from you guys is just to watch the video from the beginning to the end on how you can be able to start making money in Nigeria here, start cashing out in dollars, And one more thing is that I don't really like doing a video without a proof. You can go online, let me say on YouTube, most especially on YouTube. A lot of videos, thousands of videos online on YouTube teaching people how to make money online without proof. What they normally do, they can only introduce some website to you, but then they will never tell you the method on how they use in order to start making the money or start cashing out online in Nigeria here. But then in my tutorial, I'm going to take you guys vividly. I will show you guys step by step on how much I've made so far, the proof of everything, the proof of my earnings and the proof of my payment. So all I need for you guys to just watch the video from the beginning to the end in order to grab these and start making money online in Nigeria. So right now here you can see how much I've made so far in dollars. You can see I've made over $200 plus, and then in naira I've made almost 727,000 naira, which I've made so far on my sales on my seller's account. You can see I've made some of the money in dollars and I've made some of the money in naira. So you can see here. So I'm going to reload this so that you guys should see it. Let me reload it. You can see 1,000 naira, which I've made so far on my sales on my seller's account. You can see. Okay, so right now here you can see I've already shown you guys the proof. So I'm going to take you guys step by step how you're going to start making money on this particular account, on particular website, and start receiving your money in dollars or in nairas. So I'm going to take you guys step by step how you're going to do this. So all I need from you guys to watch the video from the beginning to the end, and don't forget, if you're new on my YouTube channel, please endeavor to splash that red subscription button and click the bell icon, turn it to all in order to get notified whenever I drop an awesome video like this on how to make money online, how to get some tech tips, and how to create your own personal website. You can see some of my videos. Let me go to my YouTube channel so that you guys can see some of my videos on my channel. If you might find anyone interested, you can also watch it and learn how to build your own personal website. So here's my YouTube channel. You can see. So far this was a video I dropped 10 days ago on how to make 300k naira every week, make money online in Nigeria. So this was just an intro of the video I'm going to do today. So all I need from you guys to, if you're new on my channel, please endeavor to subscribe, and if you like my video, please thumbs me up. I'll feel good. And then if you can be able to share the video to your family ones or your friends around also. So I'm going to take you guys back to the video without wasting much of our time. So today I'm going to use two different websites in order to achieve this. First of all, let me introduce the site that you're going to register and then start making money online in Nigeria here. So first of all, I know maybe some of you, this is not your first time hearing about seller account. With seller, this is the best way to sell digital products online. So let's go through the website. Okay, you can see here there are different ways that you can be able to make money on sellers account. You can make money on sellers account through affiliate network, or start selling your own digital products online here in Nigeria. So you can see here we have the best way to sell your digital products online. Seller is your all-in-one e-commerce store builder to sell any kind of digital product or service to anyone anywhere in the world. So you can become a digital seller on uh, on this seller's account here can also, like, for most especially for how I normally do my is do my own and start making money. I'm just going to drop this as a vast knowledge to everyone. Any aspect, any digital aspect you have, you can be able to sell it on Fiverr. But the most important thing, where can you get people that will come and purchase the product? So that is the main question, and that is our own priority. What you want to achieve, want to make money from selling the digital product. So right now you have to hit start selling, click on start selling. So once you click on start selling, where this is my account, one of my account, let me go to another page so that I can register seller and click for login. We're going to log in. All right, so first of all you have to click on start selling if you want to start selling, or you want to be an affiliate marketer. Let's look for email that we can be able to register. Let me go on this, go on register. All right, first of all we have to use our email and the name. Let's say um okay, and then your password is very important. Then you create your account with seller account. So onboarding, right? It's loading, it's loading. And then right now here we have login, we have register and login. So I'm a creator, I want to sell my products slash service on seller. I'm an affiliate marketer, I want to earn commission reselling. I'm a customer, I bought product on seller, right? So right now here we click on this, the first one, we click on continue as a creator. So you don't have any product yet, and then click on create my page to set your show love page, right? So you have to add products. First of all, let me go and verify my email. I have to verify my email. Click here. Okay, it's loading. I'm sorry, it's loading. Okay, my network is kind of a little bit bad. Okay, confirm. So let me go to the account and see. Refresh. I think it haven't confirmed yet. Okay, the email link is not valid. Okay, I resent another one. This one, and then click to confirm. All right, finally it has confirmed, right? So you have to go ahead and then add your bank details. Your bank details is you're from Nigeria or Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, and United Kingdom, United States, and the rest of the world. You can go ahead and add your bank, click your bank, and then make sure you put your account number. It's very important where the payment to be sent to your account. Okay, so from there, so first of all, now where can you be able to get the digital products that you start selling? Okay, maybe you might be a photographer, or you're a graphic designer, or your any kind of skills that you're doing, so you can be able to sell it on seller account here and start making huge amount of money.
So right now here, we're asking where can we be able to get the traffic and where people that can be able to come and purchase the digital product. So right now here, I'm going to show you guys where I actually drive my traffic. First of all, I drive my traffic on Quora. Quora is one of the best website that you can be able to drive your traffic on anywhere you want to take your traffic to. You understand? So first of all, I usually come to YouTube and create a video based on the product I'm going to sell. You understand? Based on the product I'm going to sell, i'll I'll create a video. I'll create a video on that particular product and then save it, publish it on, sorry, product digital, right? Digital marketing. So let me say, for example, maybe I might be doing a video to create a video about a digital product. Let me say selling preset on YouTube or selling preset on Photoshop. And then the preset, let me go to this. Let's say presets for Photoshop or Lightroom. I'm just setting an example. So we have different kind of presets: color grading, we have retouching academy, we have retouch preset, we have color grading, we have dodge and burn color grading preset. So you can come and create account on, you create your own account on seller account here, and then set the product you want to sell, and then go back and create a video about the presets and then publish it on your YouTube. Publish it on your YouTube. So once you publish it on YouTube, and then you come back to Quora here and then search for Photoshop Photoshop preset. Right? Presets. So it's loading. What's going on? Then I switch down. Okay. Which will preserve the look of photo more Lightroom. So right now we're talking about preset here. So you click on anything, any topic they're talking about preset, and then go straight to the answer. You can see, go straight to the answer and then write articles about preset. You have to write something about preset here, talking about the best preset on Photoshop, Retouch Academy, or whatsoever. Then you type it here and then you link the YouTube link, the video that you publish on YouTube about the preset, and then you link it here. You pick the link. Let's say, for example, let's pick this video. Let's pick the link. Sorry. You pick the link here.
Meet Joe, a digital marketer. He works as the head of
After you have picked the link, you come where you're going to give the answer and then paste the link about the preset here under this answer. After you have write everything about the preset, then you will now paste it down here. So once you paste it, so once somebody read about the preset, the person will click the link and the link will take the person back to the YouTube. So from the YouTube, after you have published the video from your seller's account, you have to copy the link where you're selling your product and then paste it under the description of your video. So once somebody watch the video and is done watching the video, then the person can be able to click on the link and purchase your own preset. This is just an example which I wanted to set on how you can be able to set or start selling your products, digital products, on seller's account, where you can be able to drive your traffic. You can also drive your traffic using Facebook. You can drive your traffic using Instagram or any kind of social media account or social media and drag your audience to come and purchase your own preset from the YouTube direct them to the seller's account. And then once the person purchase it, you start making money. Your money within 2 days, the money will be sent through your own account. So this is how you can be able to make money on seller's account without stress. The only thing you need to do is how to can be able to drag the traffic. So that is the only thing you have to do on seller's account. Just this and that, and then you start making money online on seller's account. That's been long. I didn't drop videos on this channel for a very long time. I've been busy on some other projects as well, so I've actually resumed. So I'll be dropping videos back to back on how to make money online and how to create other website and some tech tips online here. So as I earlier said, if you're new on my YouTube channel, please endeavor to click the bell subscription, click the bell subscription and the subscription button, and click the bell and turn it to all in order to start getting notified whenever I drop an awesome video like this. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate